A sudden end to a murder trial that lasted for days.
Judge Raquel West declaring a mistrial in Jefferson County's first murder case linked to fentanyl deaths. 25-year-old Dalton Batiste was on trial for 2 counts of murder. He could have faced up to life in prison if convicted. Judge West will now set his case for a retrial. The victims in this case, 38-year-old Sanchez, dead at the scene, and 25-year-old Matthew Kreiss, who was married only months before his death, passing away at a hospital several days after the fentanyl overdose.
Their deaths, despite the efforts of police, firefighters, and EMTs who arrived at the home on Tyler Street on that January 10th. They gave Sanchez Narcan but couldn't save his life. They also used Narcan on Kreiss, but the impact of the fentanyl too great for him to overcome. KFDM's Taylor Justice in court today for closing arguments and the strength to the verdict.
Taylor joins us live in the KFDM 6 newsroom with reaction. Taylor?
Aaron, Kimberly, the jury began deliberating at 10 this morning, and at 3, Judge Raquel West said they couldn't agree on a verdict. The case boiled down to simple arguments. Defense attorney Ryan Gertz told jurors the state did not prove that Dalton Batiste knowingly provided fentanyl to the 2 victims. Gertz citing a police officer's testimony about questions that remain. Prosecutor Tommy Coleman asking jurors to follow the timeline and look at the case like a jigsaw puzzle. You may not have all the pieces, but you know what it looks like.
And is that justice to let this defendant walk out of this courtroom, finding him not guilty, getting on the elevator with you, riding down and walking out of this courthouse and going right back to the business of selling poison to our citizens in our community? Is that justice?
I said, probably the best person to know is the person who manufactured it, right? And he agreed. I said, because they will know what they put in it, what the ingredients are that they put in it, right? And he said, yes. And I said, and there are people out there that manufacture in mass quantities pills that look like one thing and are actually another thing and contain fentanyl, correct? And he said, yes.
Once the judge declared a mistrial, we were able to speak with Brett Featherston from the district attorney's office and defense attorney Ryan Gertz.
Are both disappointed but pleased with the jury's verdict. We're disappointed from the standpoint that we were optimistic that the state had not proven their case and felt like 12 votes would have been appropriate, but evidently there were 2 people who believed that the state did meet their burden for those people.
We have 2 dead victims in this case, and we're here to represent those families, the Kreiss family and the Sanchez family. And so we're going to continue to pursue this case because we believe that the defendant in this case delivered drugs that killed these 2 individuals and harmed another person.
This case is not over yet. Judge Raquel West says she'll set it for a retrial at a later date. As for Batiste, he's back at the jail, still charged with 2 counts of murder. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Taylor Justice. Aaron, Kimberly, back to you.
Thank you, Taylor.